talking about the real estate. There's something in the landscape that works its way inside you like a lover sleeping silently. Children by the time they're 3, that northern serendipity will take you by surprise. You're sitting at a waterhole, the dry season's just arrived. The shimmer of the waterfall, the movement of the crocodile. And I love to know track, and you're broken down, and you're walking back, and the thunder's building, and the lightning cracks, and you wonder if you ever get home. But don't despair, you'll get there. You'll be dying of thirst, but you'll get there. And you will feel the charge of the northern air. And you'll get back to camp, and you'll crack a beer, cause you can get it, go and walk about. Get it, just hanging out. You can get it with a coral trap. Matter of fact, I got it now. And I love to know you can get it in the territory, you can get it in the Kimberley, you can get it in the Coral Sea. And I do believe that I got it now.